everyone, today we are unboxing this Temu that mommy bought from online. This is a phone case and it's only for $10. Good price. Now I'm going to show you this. This is the trouser I think mommy bought, and it's 35 now, and it's black. Now I'm going to show you the shirt. This shirt is 15, and Temu give very good offers because this shirt is men's and it's 15 dirhams only. Now I'm going to show you this, which is a ladies shirt, and it's 25, and this is also a big shirt. Now I'm going to show you this shirt. This is another ladies one. This is another ladies one, and it's only 15